kakain kayo nito guys, makakalimutan nyo ang pangalan ng asawa nyo. Hello to the world! Welcome sa aming channel at kumusta kayong lahat? And for today's mukbang, magmumukbang tayo ng
buttered garlic, Cajun shrimp, and lobster.
Mag-pray tayo muna guys bago tayo lumapang.
Father in heaven, thank you for this wonderful food that's in front of us and these beautiful cute hands that prepared it. In your name, amen.
Madamo kinya salamat Ginoo.
Alright.
Babe, rice please.
Rice.
Yes.
Rice pa more.
You can't have a meal without rice.
Let's eat. Yung laway ko tumata.
What?
My saliva is trying to flow.
Oh. She must be that hungry.
I'm salivating, guys. Hot dog. Kakamayin na namin, guys. We wash our hands already. Pasayan. Corn.
You took the corn I wanted.
Here, love. Here's for you, my darling. At cilantro, guys. Ang bango niya, guys, kasi may cilantro sa taas. I love cilantro, love.
Yeah? Yeah. I'm gonna make the best chicken you ever had here the next day or two with all these fresh herbs and
Nauna na ako guys, masarap.
Little mini mini lobsters.
Jumbo lobsters and pasayan, jumbo pasayan or shrimp. Ang hirap i-pronounce kasi. So, balatan muna natin, babe. Okay. Sabay-sabay tayo, babe. Kain tayo.
No, I'm not ready. It's still stuck. He's not peeling. Where's the hoot, this guy? He's all stuck in his shell. Come out your house. And I got like half of it.
Okay. Here. Saucy, eh?
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Dunk in the sausawan.
Masarap, babe.
Delicious.
Pasawan.
Oh, it needs to open all the way. Why does it get stuck halfway?
Buko juice tayo, guys. Oops, sorry. Nauhaw kasi ako, guys. Ayan.
Buko juice. And for myself, bubbly juice.
Juice.
Apple raspberry. My wife would drink it too, but she says it's too sweet. It's not good for the baby.
Try nyo yung recipe na ginawa ko sa ano, guys.
It's
Sa
good sauce.
Yeah, pagluto ko ng sauce, very good talaga.
Yeah, that Cajun seasoning in it is good. Turned out really good.
Sarap. Snowing, love.
Oh yeah,
Nagsa-snow ulit, guys.
look at that. Trying to snow. We thought it was spring, but apparently not. Not yet.
Sarap,
Yum,
love.
that's good. How's the corn, love?
It's good, love. It's very good. Good. Ayan. Frozen tong pasayan, guys. Nung nabili ko.
Everything's good with this sauce on it.
Yeah. The best. The best, lab.
You nailed it on this one, honeybee.
Thank you.
That Cajun sauce is fantastic.
Yep. It's not so hot, eh? Just
No, it's perfect.
mild spicy, mild hot. Finger licking to, guys. Finger licking, ano? Finger licking,
You're looking good.
good.
Our shells in our... The shells. All the junk from our...
Kakain kayo nito, guys. Makakalimutan nyo ang pangalan ng asawa nyo.
What are you giggling about?
I said, if you eat this kind of food, you're gonna forget your husband's name. It's very good.
Oh, you can forget me.
Sobrang sarap, guys.
I just imagine that this is like going down in southern like Louisiana or something like that.
it's
They'd
just-
have this kind of stuff.
Tastes like it? Thank you, love.
I've never actually been to Louisiana, but I can imagine that's what it'd be like.
Yeah. Sarap ng mais. Juicy.
Yeah, corn's not bad.
Very good.
Come out of there. And you have a couple
Pasubo
potatoes.
naman tayo nito sa rice, guys.
Potatoes.
Okay lang kasi twice a week lang tayo kumakain ng rice. Kasi nag-iingat pa rin ako.
She only eats rice twice a week, so she eats lots of it every time.
Twice a week, pero pang marathon ba, pang kargador na rice. Ito frozen to, guys, hindi siya fresh kasi dito sa amin walang nabibili na fresh. Always frozen.
No fresh shrimp around here.
Except you go to the city, there is a fresh
Well, maybe.
fish pond, aquarium.
They might bring them in fresh, but I mean they would be like shipped in that day from who knows where. Our sauce is so good.
Sarap sipsipin yung ulo niya, guys. At yung sauce sa shell niya.
Where's all the other shrimpies go? Oh, there's one hiding underneath here. Come on. He didn't want to come apart. He didn't like it, his head pulled off. I don't understand why. Come on. Why these ones are so hard to peel compared to some of them?
Because it's frozen, love. What I mean, it's not the fresh one. It's easy to take it off.
They taste good though.
Yeah, they taste good. They taste fresh too.
Yeah, they taste good. They're just hard to peel for some reason. I don't know why.
Can I start this?
Sure you can.
Ito guys, around 600 pesos siya mabibili kung sa Pilipinas. Ayan. 600 pesos. Pero frozen ko rin siya nakuha. Na-cook na ba? Kasi mas mura-mura yun. Kaysa yung raw talaga. Mas mahal. Ayan. Pisahan ko na to guys ha. Itong lobster ko kasi kanina ko pa ito pinang-iinitan talaga. Ooh. Ayan, kalahati lang to ng laman niya guys. Ang laman niya, andito pa yung iba. Oh. Bahala ka na dyan, love.
Oh, my nose is running.
Kain tayo guys.
Is that a good sign?
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy, that's why.
Look, I'm making a mess of my self.
Love, it's the best.
The best. The best, is it? Really?
Guys, kung di ko pa inasawa si Daryl, guys, never ako nakatikim ng ganito. If I did not marry you, if I did not met you or marry you, I never.
Never get a chance to eat lobster?
Yeah.
Well, you're welcome.
Kasi,
Is this one for me?
yep, it's so good, love.
So good, you say.
Kasi guys, nung nagdi-date kami, that's my first time to eat lobster.
When's that?
When we're dating, in
Oh,
the...
yeah.
Tapos, sa birthday ko, is that my birthday, I guess? Where I have a big lobster.
Yeah, you went to Rusty Pelican or somewhere like that, I think it was. Yeah, I remember. We got the seafood platter.
Ang mahal. Siya naman nagbabayad. Date namin.
And you thought it was so good. Right? Come out of there.
Kasi guys, basta mag-date ka dito sa Canada, if you ask to have a date, like you ask me to have a date in the restaurant, siya magbabayad. If I ask him to have a date with me in a restaurant, ako ang magbabayad, guys, kahit babae ako. Is that right?
I can't understand what you're saying, though.
Sorry, guys. If I ask you to come with me in the restaurant, I will pay for you.
Yeah, whoever invites usually
Yeah, kung
pays.
sino ang nag-invite, yun ang magpe-pay ng
Yeah.
sa restaurant, guys.
Guy should take care of the girl anyway. That's the way it works, right?
Dinadala ko ni Daryl dati, guys, sa restaurant na mamamahalin ba. You always bring me to a expensive restaurant.
Sometimes, yeah. But we don't go out that often, so.
Once a week.
No, we go out once every couple of weeks probably. We go to a nice place, we go to Red Deer and go somewhere nice. So if you're only going once every couple of weeks, then you can spend a little more money and enjoy
Yep,
it, right?
that's
Go to a nice
true.
restaurant. Ooh. Come off of there. The claw. The cracker. Hopefully I can crack this
Ang sarap
without
ng lobster, guys.
making a huge mess. Ugh. That did not work very well at all.
Itong green niya, guys, aligi niya. Ayan. Ang sarap. Pero, I-minimal ko lang yung kain ko sa aligi kasi baka ma-cholesterol tayo ba. Minsan di mapigilan talaga. Ang sarap. Sip-sip na lang tayo.
It popped right into my face almost. Yeah, I don't know when the first time it was that I had lobster. It wasn't. I don't know. I didn't eat lobster much when I was growing up. Like my parents couldn't afford it, and we didn't have it. But and we weren't really seafood eaters, just per se. So we didn't get a lot of lobster and that kind of stuff in our house.
Kami naman guys, ganun din. We cannot afford the lobster. And my first time to see it like 10 years ago sa Iloilo. Tapos 800 pesos siya. For me, 800 pesos is 10 years ago or 11 years ago, it's very 800.
Expensive?
Yeah, worth it. The 800 pesos is malaki ba? It's big money. Especially if you have no money, for you it's big money.
Well, of course, yeah. Well, even lobster here, like I mean, we don't do this very often.
No.
Because lobster is expensive too. It's expensive too, right? So.
Dito na ako nakatikim ng lobster guys sa Canada.
You can get fresh lobster here. Like I mean, you can. I know people that will order it from out east,
Yeah?
like Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and they'll order it over fresh, like right in a box, live when it gets here.
So good.
But I don't know how to. Look how dirty my fingers are.
Napaka juicy ng aligi niya guys. Yung kahit maliliit na aligi ba. Mamaya ko na tirahin guys, tatagal kami sa video eh. Sarap.
Open up, buddy. There we go. I got him open. Sort of.
It's so good love. Can I have more rice please? Can I have?
You can have some of my rice if you want. And I'll
Kasi-
put some more on my plate after.
Kasi busy siya guys.
My hands are really full and dirty.
Makalat lang talaga siya kainin guys.
This is not a eat it neat and tidily kind of a meal, this one. You need to be able to use your hands and get dirty.
Yeah.
So if you don't like eating and getting your fingers dirty, don't eat this way. Oh, you can see it, but he's not coming out. There he is. There he is. Come on out of there, buddy. Why is he not cooperating? There he comes. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Big old chunk of claw meat. Okay, I'm gonna find we're gonna do time anyway. Gonna make space on our plate.
Ginamit na namin guys yung malaki talaga na na plate. As in, malaki to. Malaki na plate.
Too much stuff.
Yan. Oh, yours. Oh, yeah. Thank you, my love. Yan. Instead of back here, because it's overweight.
Oh.
A whole bunch more. I got lots of other stuff to eat. I want to fill up on rice when there's so much other good stuff to eat.
Ang sarap kasi ng sauce love, no? Sauce pa lang ulam na guys. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan na ang ay sus. Paano ba yun? Ayan.
Look at that. Nice.
Naugasan ko na to guys.
You sure that much cilantro is good for you?
Oh, for the baby?
No, I don't know. I don't think it's hurt the baby any. I wouldn't think. It's just a
It's
green.
good, yeah.
It's just herbs.
Good, good. Ito guys ang laki guys. Oh, tulog-tulog pa. It's a big claw. Giant claw. Paano ba ito, babe?
Ayan, 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 ayan. Ayan. Ah, ayan yung matanggal guys.
You can do it. Oh,
Ayan,
you peeled
matanggal.
apart.
Super yum yum.
Super duper yum yum. Like, wow. And I'm not really even that big a seafood fan.
I know.
And this is amazing.
Hindi yan pala kain ng seafoods, guys. Dahil sa sauce, napapakain siya.
Man.
Ang messy.
Super messy.
I'm just gonna finish my rice.
Really? I'm not. I'm full.
Pasayan, guys. Ubus na ang pasayan. Sauce.
That was a delicious meal, love. You made a good one. Holy.
Ay ko lang. So guys, magpapaalam na kami at maraming salamat sa panonood ng aming video. Busog-lusog na naman tayo, guys. Pati si baby, guys, busog.
You guys should try Cajun buttered garlic shrimp and lobsters. If you never tried it,
Panalong
cook
panalo
it.
as
It's awesome. And if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. And otherwise, have a great night. And God bless and mabuhay.
Love you guys. Bye-bye. Mwah.